Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Dogs Coin. You're going to analyze the chart, see what is happening with the price, of course, and what we could be expecting going into Wednesday morning. Looking across the board right now, things are looking really, really scary, of course. And if you've been following the channel over the course of the last, few days, of course, as far as the dogs community goes, I'm sure you guys have been following just for the past few days because, of course, this is a fairly new meme coin. But, the broader market sentiment is extremely bearish right now. And again, if you follow the channel on a regular day-to-day basis, I'm sure you guys know by now as to some of these important levels that I was rooting for the price of Bitcoin. Obviously now we know why these levels are so important. But let's take a look at dogs. Of course, dogs is not in the top 100 anymore, so we're going to switch and take a look at what's happening. So it's down about 9.7% right now, but so is the broader market. Price is currently sitting at 1022, still about 2 zeros in front of the price, but we could lose another zero. We could add a new zero to the price, and of course, obviously, no one wants to do that. And it is a psychological way in terms of the price, if you think about it from that point of view. But that could be a reality if Bitcoin is not able to hold around these levels. So down about 9.7% in USD and about 5.1% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap is still above a half a billion. Around 530 billion, not billion, $530 million to be exact. And the 24-hour trading volume is at $500 million as well. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening and, of course, what we could be expecting. Before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the total market cap combined, $38.5 billion, and that's how much money there is in the meme coin market completely. So if you look at it from pretty much March highs, you have seen the market fall down more than 50%. So of course, altcoins, meme coins are being impacted compared to the March and April highs, and that's pretty much where the interest was at its all-time high for meme coins and altcoins, and since then it's pretty much stagnant, and a lot of other factors as well. But that's a reality. If you look at it from an investment standpoint, maybe you have done your due diligence research and wanted to kind of gain some exposure into meme coins in general, not just one, but like several of them. If you look at it from just the last 7 days, the majority of these meme coins are actually down double digits, except of course, this Tron Bull thing that's up so much. But again, don't let these numbers, confuse you. Not every coin is going to get like that, and I cannot stress this enough. Meme coins are a very, very riskier asset. It's a risky category. They're made out of thin air, so you need to be very, very careful. You need to do your due diligence research when you are getting a meme coin exposure. The one tip that I give on my channel from the beginning is, if you have done your due diligence research and are wanting to still get exposure into meme coins, and let's say, for example, we're going to use $100. Let's say that $100 is what you are, okay to lose. If it goes to zero, you're okay with that. It's not going to hurt you. Then what I would recommend, as far as meme coins are concerned, is putting that $100 into multiple different meme coins. So of course, that kind of minimizes your risk in a way, and of course maximizes the potential of gains if you pick one right one. But you need to look at it from that point of view, especially when it comes to meme coins. But if you're looking at dogs in terms of the rank, it's still, I think, ranked as the top 8. So let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's ranked at the top 9th now. The Popcat has taken over as of now. So this is a fairly new meme coin. We need to treat it as that. One thing, of course, has continued to surprise me at the fact that it was listed on all these centralized exchanges and still not maintaining the bullish momentum. But again, we need to look at the broader market. It was launched in a bull market, and again, people might think this is not a bull market. Yes, it is a bull market. Don't let anyone else tell you otherwise. If you look at it from a yearly perspective, a lot of coins are up quite substantially, and this time around it's just different. You're seeing institutional interest, big money flowing in. A lot of people don't tend to focus on that, but that's the reality. But if you're looking at the price, it's pretty much hanging as to where it was just a few hours ago. We did see that wick down to that 97.47 zone where it did lose it did add a zero within its price, but it has been able to maintain back above the 10 17 zone right now, but pretty much trading sideways right now. Obviously some resistance is around the 1046, but we need to pay very close attention to Bitcoin right now, because Bitcoin is not at a safe end by any means. And if Bitcoin drops lower, maybe down to $53,000, and again, that could be a reality because stock market also saw a negative day, and if Bitcoin dominance does completely something opposite, this could impact dogs as well to go lower, believe it or not. But of course, if you have done your due diligence research and have dogs exposure, then guess what? Patience is your number one key to follow. You will see market fluctuating quite a bit. It's a volatile market, and this should be a perfect example for you, as I've said for you from the beginning. Dogs is something that you need to treat as a meme coin. I know people are going to come out and say it has utility, this or that, but at the end of the day, this is a meme coin, and you want to treat this as a meme coin. But I'll keep you guys covered. Right now, I want you guys to focus very close on Bitcoin, and obviously be prepared for any thing to happen. So pretty much lower side could actually occur. So what I would recommend is having stop losses in place if you don't want the prices to go lower. Yeah, that's what I would recommend. But we're going to take it one step at a time. But like I said, if you're in it for the long haul, then patience is your number one key to follow. If you have done your due diligence research and have invested what you can afford to lose, then patience is your number one key. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow up in Crypto ZX, and peace out.